Wakeboarding across a normally busy street, not the average sight you'd expect to encounter in a city. But as a sign of just how extreme conditions have been in Moscow, a man decided to turn the bad weather into something better. The unidentified daredevil attached himself to a rope being pulled by a car, showing off his athletic prowess and adding a little fun to the otherwise muggy scenario. Heavy rain in the Russian capital has caused a river to burst its banks, causing flooding and wreaking havoc in the streets. It's been reported that about 200 people have been evacuated from stalled vehicles after 3.7 inches of rain descended on the city. But clearly this man's the optimistic type, and not one to let himself get wakeboard.
Engine ignition. Lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,